Did you hear old Jelly Belly, wherever the hell he's at, getting called from in DX? He's, wherever he's at. California, whatever.
Hey there, Cadillac, it sounded good up here in the northern part of Maine there, Cadillac.
Somewhere.
I don't know. I'm just making all kinds of noise in your radio. No doubt about it.
Wave.
Yeah. Well, that's why you wanted you to fix that antenna, I guess. Or, yeah, that's why you wanted that antenna fixed. Was to get out in the mobile.
Central Cal, we'll be waving a hand right back. Roger.
Hey, 420, 445 radio man waving.
Copy that, we're definitely waving right back. Was that 440? Was that 440? I believe I heard. We're definitely waving right back.
Hey, 420 is 445, but ain't no pain, no strain. Sounding good out there. 420 around California. Your friend around Mississippi, 445 radio man, get down.
Copy that.
Hey, good morning, Mr. 445. Working this 5 minutes away. Wild West.
Good morning, everybody. I had a whole bunch of people come in my radio at one time, so I'm just going to give a wide good morning, everybody on the west side.
We definitely good morning. Side, you're received, no doubt.
247 Wild West.
Hey, 247 Wild West. You sounding good out there, McGUIVER? I heard number 9 the pilot. I got to wave at him, too. My friend out there around Riverside. Hey, take care of McGUIVER, 445. We waving. Bye-bye.
All right, 445, man. You take care of yourself, no doubt about it. 445, 247 McGUIVER, Wild Wild West.
All right, McGUIVER. Got some real good audio this morning. Hey, 247 McGUIVER, 445 said you got some real good audio out there. 445, got down.
Well, thank you, 445. You have a blessed one, too. We'll catch you later. 445, your friend on this end, 247
919's waving your
in the Wild Wild West. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye-bye. 247 around the Wild Wild West. I heard 919 come in there. Hey, I don't know if you're in the mobile or base, 919, but we heard you out there.
Hey, Mr. Sheepdog, calling from the radio this morning. I'm just waking up having my coffee. Dang, over in the strawberries. Mr. Sheepdog, 916, San Francisco, Golden Gate, waving.
Hey, Sheepdog. Hey, out there around the Golden Gate, 445 said, I hope that coffee's good. I'm working on my second cup. You know, California wakes up after the east side. Hey, good morning out there, 916, Sheepdog, 445 waving.
919 on the west side. I'm sitting here listening.
Yeah, Mr.
Get on down.
45, Mr. 916.
Hey, good morning. Kicking some butt today.
You got Ratchet.
Ratchet, Northern Cal, working this ground plane. Good morning.
Good morning out there, Ratchet, while you're working that ground plane. Everybody's sounding good out there on the west side this morning. We're just blessed to make another day. 445 said that back here in Mississippi.
Out here on the west side. Hey, good morning once again, Billy Bob. In the KY 919.
Central Cal. Good morning, DS Player. Little Red said it's Central Cal.
A little cloudy here.
I heard Little Red out there around Central Cal. Hey, sounding real good out there. Hey, Little Red, 445 radio man waving at you.
Take care until we can do it again. 919 here on the west side with my little old hammer, and I got down.
That Mobile, Northern California. I guess we're jelly guns in Northern California.
I had a couple of stations come in. Now, who's that out there in that Mobile waving?
Click.
DX land, 606 Northeast, corner state of Maine.
Hello, DLL in the waiting room. Sure, you got some conditions, and good morning. Top of the morning to you. 919's waving right back.
919, you're booming now.
Hello, audio. Hello.
Hey, Sheepdog. Hey, Sheepdog. You got Ratchet? You got Ratchet 18 Northern Cal. You got 18 Northern Cal working his ground plane. Hello, Sheepdog.
All right, there, Daddy Longlegs. Hey, no doubt. Yeah, I'm looking forward to working some ground wave also. Yeah, no doubt. That'll be a whole lot of fun for sure. Maybe we can daily or at least a few times a day going on. That'll be really cool. Also, have a sheepdog keying up in there too. One time, I got some good conditions coming out of the bluegrass. 919, and I'm sitting here copying the mail.
Hey, 919, you holding them guys down out there. Hey, 919, you holding them guys down out there.
919, we're just waking up out here. We wanted to just wave a hammer to 919. 916, Golden Gate wave and break.
All right, 916, I heard you in that time. You ain't real strong, but when ain't nobody keying up, I hear you out there. Hey, 916, 445, radio man waving at you.
Hey, and Sheepdog, I heard you in there again. Hey, you gentlemen have a great day in the KY, no doubt. I'm going to sit back here and sip some coffee and get back into the woodwork like a termite. 919 with my little bitty hammer, and I got time.
Break.
Go ahead, break.